Need to send cash urgently but don't have time for traditional banking? Let me show you how to do a cash send instantly using the TymeBank app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the TymeBank app installed on your phone. It's available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Log in with your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're logged in, look for the Send Money or Cash Send icon on the home screen. It usually looks like an arrow pointing upwards or an envelope. Tap on it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's mobile number. Make sure you enter it correctly. Then input the amount you want to send. Take note that a small fee is associated with cash send transactions. The app will display the fee before you confirm, so you're always aware of the cost. Confirm the amount you'd like to send. You'll then see a confirmation screen summarizing the transaction details, including the recipient's number, the amount, and the fee. Double-check everything is correct before proceeding. If all the details are correct, tap the Confirm or Send button. You might be prompted to enter your TymeBank PIN again for security. Success! The app will now display a confirmation message with a unique reference number. And most importantly, a PIN code. Share this PIN code securely with the recipient. They will need both the reference number and this PIN to withdraw the cash. To withdraw the cash, the recipient needs to visit any TymeBank ATM, select Cash Send Withdrawal, and enter the reference number and the PIN you provided, and that's it. Quick, easy, and convenient cash send with TymeBank.